The 76ers taking on the Jazz. This is always a good matchup. Ben Simmons with a triple-double tonight. 13 points, 14 rebounds, 12 assists. There goes an assist to Jimmy Butler cutting back door. Now he's going to do it again. 2 lobs to get things going. Jazz got to figure out that play before they lob for the rest of the game. There goes Kyle Korver. 4-point play. He gets popped in the head on that shot to end the first quarter. Look at Exum slashing but passes it back to Gobert, who flushes it. Exum once again, he's going to rise up, and this time Embiid does not touch him. Even though Embiid did have 5 blocks tonight, he scored 23 points with 15 rebounds. It's Lob City tonight. This time it's going to be from the center to Ben Simmons. What is going on with that Jazz defense in the paint? Don't they know that the 76ers pound the paint? Embiid in the post. Look at those spin moves. He makes the layup. No foul. Ref's not showing him any love. In and out move from Ben Simmons. Finishes on the other side of the rim. Nice basketball here for the Sixers in the first half. Second half, more transition basketball. JJ Redick gonna get it going from behind the line. They're extending their lead. They're gonna leave Redick again in transition. Jazz defense is completely falling apart. They were leaving the paint open. They're still leaving it open. Another lob. How many lobs is that? Now Embiid is gonna make it splash. They're bringing the pain on the road. TJ McConnell misses, but it's tipped in by Embiid. There's just a lack of effort tonight. Jazz were just not ready to play. Ooh. This is not how you want to end the game. Embiid fouls out, going low, chopping off the legs of Ricky Rubio. Let me know in the comment section what you think about that. Do you think it was intentional? What a game, though. 76ers win. Uh-oh, got a reaction from Lowry. Oh, I turned around, Lowry. Give that guy a map. Where are you going? I turned around Lowry just like we turned around this game. What a comeback.